That's open, not closed.
Abdullah, it's time for Quran.
Oh, okay. Coming.
Be quick.
Okay, anyways, I have Quran class to do. I'm going. Be ready, and we'll meet soon in a while.
Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum, read Al-Qur'an the easy way. Lesson number 14 on Laam in the word of Allah. Laam is generally thin, as in la, fala, ala, and ilah. But we have a special case for the Laam in the word of Allah. This Laam must be thick if it is preceded by the Fatha letter. And when it is thick, it is pronounced as we pronounce law in English. So repeat after me twice. Over here in Allahu Akbar, the Hamza has Fatha on it, and it is before the Laam of Allah. So we must make the Laam of Allah thick. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Also in Wallahi, because the Waw has Fatha, and it is also before the Laam of Allah. So we must also make the Laam of Allah thick. Wallahi, Wallahi, Wallahi. Inna Allah, Inna Allah, Inna Allah. Subhanallahi, Subhanallahi, Subhanallahi. This Laam is thick if it is preceded by Dhamma letter. So over here in Nahullahi, the Ra has Dhamma on it, and it is before the Laam of Allah. That's why we must make the Laam of Allah thick also. Narullahi, Narullahi, Narullahi. Also in Nasrullahi, because the Ra has Dhamma on it, and it is before the Laam of Allah. That's why we must make the Laam of Allah thick. Nasrullahi, Nasrullahi, Nasrullahi. This Laam is thin if it is preceded by Kasra letter. So over here in Billahi, since the Ba has Kasra on it, and it is before the Laam in the word of Allah, we must make the Laam in the word of Allah thin. And repeat after me twice. Billahi, Billahi, Billahi. Also in Walillahi, because in the Laam that is not the Laam of the word of Allah, it has Kasra on it, and it is before the Laam of the word of Allah. So that's why the Laam of the word of Allah must be thin. Walillahi, Walillahi, Walillahi. Bismillahi, Bismillahi, Bismillahi. Sabilillahi, Sabilillahi, Sabilillahi. I hope you understood the lesson. It was very easy. It's just 3 points. Point number 1, that if the Laam of the word of Allah is preceded by Fatha, we must make it thick. Point number 2, if the Laam of the word of Allah is preceded by Dhamma, then we must also make it thick. But point number 3, if the Laam of the word of Allah is preceded by Kasra, then we must make it thin. And that is it. We have come to the end of this lesson. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.